Okay, today we are going to discuss about example number 8.4. We can solve example number 8.4. So here below figure depicts two circular motions, the radius of the circle, the period of revolution, the initial position, and the sense of revolutions are indicated on the figure. Obtain the simple harmonic motions of the x projection of the radius vector of rotating particle p in each case. So we can find out the simple harmonic motion equation. Okay, obtain the simple harmonic motion of the x projection, so along x direction. So first of all, so we can find out A. So here we can consider the A diagram. So this A diagram is consist a circular motion. This circular motion is anti-clockwise direction. So it is consist anti-clockwise direction. So this anti-clockwise direction, a particle P particle is moves in anti-clockwise direction at point P. So projection of point P is we have taken on x-axis P dash. Okay, the initial phase pi equals to, so what is the angle between point P and horizontal of x-axis is 45 degrees, that is pi by 4. Okay, so this is anti-clockwise direction. So this anti-clockwise direction, so after time t, so it moves anti-clockwise direction from this point and 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 this point. So it is to and fro motion. So we already discussed it in the simple harmonic motion and uniform circular motion. In simple harmonic motion, uniform circular motion, when a particle is moves in anti-clockwise direction and clockwise direction, so it is have the simple harmonic motion. So it is consists the to and fro motion. So here also it is consists to and fro motion. So then it is have the angular velocity is omega. So angular frequency or angular speed. So angular speed or angular frequency is omega. So then the A is consist, A is the radius. So radius is nothing but it is considered maximum displacement having. So maximum displacement is nothing but amplitude. So we are taking at a certain time, at t equals to t time, at t time, so then, so what is the angle? So angle at t time, so for example here the angle is omega t. So initial angle is pi. So then we have taken omega t, the at t time the angle of point P is omega t plus pi is nothing but pi by 4. Okay, so then so we can take the cos angle. So cos angle equals to cos, so it is point O. Okay, so rectangular triangle O P dash P, so cos omega t plus pi by 4 we can take at t equals to t time, omega t plus pi by 4 equals to, so here OP dash divided by OP. So OP dash is nothing but the displacement, okay, displacement along which direction? X direction. So x of t equals to, OP is nothing but capital A, radius A cos omega t plus pi by 4. Okay, that equals to, omega t is nothing but 2 pi by capital T. So A cos 2 pi by capital T into small t plus pi by 4. So you see it is x of t value. So the time period is given. So what is the time period here? The time period, given time period at t equals to 4 seconds. So x of t equals to A cos 2 pi by 4 t plus pi by 4. Okay, that equals to A x of t, A cos 2 to the, so then pi by 2 t plus pi by 4. So this is the simple harmonic motion equation of this circular motion. So x of t equals to A cos pi by 2t plus pi by 4. So next we can take B. So the B diagram is, it is also in circular motion. A particle P is a circular motion. So a particle at t equals 0, it is perpendicular to the x-axis. So it is on y-axis. So then, so what is the angle? So the angle is pi by 2. The initial phase here, the phase angle initial at t equals to 0. So it is taken as pi by 2. Okay, next here we are consider, so it is clockwise direction, it is moves clockwise direction. So when it is clockwise direction, so the omega is constant, angular frequency is constant in this time also, but it is moves in clockwise direction. So it is along x of t equals to, we have taken here the amplitude is b. So it is moves in t time, t equals to t time. So the angle is 2 pi by capital T into t. So then we can take the angle is b, x of t, the displacement along x direction, x of t b cos, so pi by 2 minus 2 pi by capital T into small t. Okay, so this is the displacement along b cos pi by 2 minus omega t. This is omega t. Omega is nothing but 2 pi by capital T. So it is 2 pi by t. So why we have taken minus negative symbol here? The negative is nothing but it is the clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction. So when a particle is moves anti-clockwise direction, so the omega t, the angle is taken is positive. It is clockwise, it is moves clockwise direction, we have taken negative. So minus 2 pi by t into capital T. Next one, x of t equals to b cos pi by 2 minus 2 pi by t into small t. So it is 90 minus theta. So it is theta. So then x of t is written as b sin 2 pi by capital T into small t. So this is equation number 1. Okay, next So for the time period is 30 seconds. So time period is 30 seconds. The time period we can substitute x of t equals to b sine 2 pi by 30 into t. So it is 15 to the. So then x of t equals to b sine pi by 15 t. Okay, so this is x of t value, but the displacement is in cosine. So we have taken the displacement in cosine. So this is also a simple harmonic motion. So but it is converted to x of t equals to, so b cos pi by 15 t minus pi by 2. So there is no change. So this is the displacement equation of second circular motion. Okay, so circular motion in clockwise direction, x of t equals to b cos pi by 15 t minus pi by 2. So what is the phase angle here? The initial phase pi equals to minus pi by 2. So initial phase is that is initial phase pi equals to minus pi by 2. So this is the first equation, first circular motion equation. It is second circular motion equation, x of t equals to b cos pi by 15 t minus pi by 2.